shit without a doubt. She said, I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill her. I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill her. She said, I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill her. I'm fucking with her, so don't kill her. She said, I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill her. I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill her. She said, I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill her. I'm fucking with her, so don't kill her. Story. Leave me your ear. That's some motherfucking shit that went down last year. I had a homeboy fucking with this bull diker. I never did like her. My homeboy was ballin'. It really wasn't shit. Spent a couple grand with this monkey ass bitch. But see, when you the man and the bitches know you won't, it's going down home. We up in the condo chillin'. Me, him, and her just came in. Took off my fur, and that's when this shit start getting sticky. I want you to ride with me. She said, I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill her. I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill her. She said, I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill her. I'm fucking with her, so don't kill her. She said, I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill her. I got somebody for you.
New Alpine deck. Tune to Music Highs. Go to my YouTube and check out with the old and with the new. And you see what I did. Somebody calling my phone.
Smoking me a sack, sip the motherfucking gas. 40 cal sit across my dick. Switching up lanes with the lame ass bitch. Run out, make her cool, that beat 12 a fool. somebody for you to rob, but don't kill. She said, I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill. I'm fucking with her, so don't kill. She said, I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill. I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill. She said, I got somebody for you to rob, but don't kill. I'm fucking with her, so don't kill. We chillin' at the spot, sippin' Dun P, smoking good pot. Me and Cuz chillin', talking about the world. He looking at me, I'm looking at his girl. Never did trust her, but my nigga loved her. That's when they told me if I did fuck her. I'm a tender buster, I witnessed the same thing. Yeah, don't make it.
So I'm pretty satisfied with the new deck after coming out twice, tuning it up. So like I said, I didn't do any changes in the trunk. I just actually tuned the head unit out as much as I could. Well, I'll take that back. I did actually go to my tweeters amp, and I kind of put those back to where I remember being clean, because I was running my mids and highs a little bit over clean, a little bit distortion. So since the radio's putting out more power, I went back to where my original clean setting was on all of my amplifiers, until I can actually take time to go through everything. But I'm not going to touch the mids and highs. I don't know if this video does any justice. I'm not going to touch the mids and highs. Not going to touch the mids and highs because, as you can tell, as you can see right now, they sound pretty damn good. So I'm satisfied with those. I'm satisfied with the bass too. Right there, it's kind of like just a little bass. And like I said, this camera does a lot of gestures on the outside when I'm doing bass, but it does on the inside. And of course the mids and highs too. I don't know how this camera gonna receive the video, but it's loud and clean. I'm very impressed with it. So getting ready for straping. Got a USB in here. That's the only change I made. So if y'all at straping, y'all come check me out and get a demo T-Bird 5.0. I think it's playing better than ever right now. It's pretty strong with this new radio. Pretty strong. But anyway, I'm gonna conclude this video right here. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.